is, what is your definition of success?
Well, the first thing that came to my mind when you said it was pride. Even if I am so proud of the script I wrote for Last of the Hitlers, even though it never got made.
Yet.
It was a success for me at that time in my life when I was starting to write dramas. It meant everything to me.
Yeah.
So I think the first line of success is pride in your work. It's very hard to measure success, especially these days, by, did it get picked up? How many episodes did it get? Is it, Netflix is only doing 3 seasons. Does that mean it wasn't as successful as something that was doing 7 seasons? So it's much harder to let those things define what success means. The other thing I've got to say, and this falls in with pride, but there is nothing like people saying, I love your show.
Yeah.
Your show got me through something.
Yeah.
That's success.
Which you probably hear all the time because, Friends is, Grace and Frankie as well. Both of those are just shows that get at the heart of something that you don't see a lot,
Thank you. Thank you.
So,
I appreciate that. We tried.
I had to wait this long to compliment. I felt like, enough time. We're at a place now. I'm going to throw in something. So I'm not.
Yeah, we know each other pretty well.
Yeah. I don't have to fangirl in the beginning.
Yeah.
2 drinks in. Great. The other random question I wanted to ask is small. I saw on IMDb that you get credited for everything that I'll Be There For You for the Rembrandt. Like every time they're featured on something, you get credit for it at something, because normally the theme song of a show I feel like doesn't get credited to the showrunner.
Well, David and I wrote many of the lyrics.
Oh.
Yeah. Allie Willis did a version. We did a second draft. So we actually.
Then there you go. I just never saw that. I was looking through and I was like, that's crazy, but that makes sense.
Yeah.